Namaste friends, hope you all are doing well. Last week we did core strengthening exercise with mini band. Today we are going to follow it up with another set of core strengthening exercises with resistance mini bands, and this will only take about 15 minutes of your time. And if you have more time or you start finding them easy, you can increase the number of repetition or reps as well. So let's start. Okay, so first exercise, we have to come in Vajrasana like this. Hold your knees and knees together. Okay, if you have knee problem, then you can sit in the Sukhasana also, or you can sit on the chair also. Yeah. So now next we have to keep the mini band near the wrist area. Okay, like this. Yeah. Okay, now see, we have to keep our hands like this. Straight the hands. And then straight the fingers also and straight the mini band like this. Breathe in and out. Okay, now see what to do. Now slowly hands back with breathe out. Then stretch and stay there. Then come in center with and keep your hands like this. That means bicep touching the ear with breathing. And hands back with breathe out and relax. Okay, so friends, now we will do 5 times, at least 5 times. Okay, breathe in and out. 1, 2, stretch, 3, 4, 5, and relax. Okay, see, now we'll do one more time. Okay, breathe in and out. 1, 2, 3, stretch more, 4, 5, and then slowly relax. You can do this exercise at least 20 times. Okay, so now next exercise, again we have to sit in the Vajrasana. Okay, now stretch your hands on your shoulder level, tight your biceps. Okay. Now straight the fingers also, keep your hands straight like this. Okay. Now first we have to do breathing and slowly twist on left with breathe out. Okay, breathe out as much as you can. Breathe out and then slowly come in center with breathe in. Breathe in and slowly breathe out and relax. Okay, so we'll do this exercise 3 times. On left and after right. Okay, so breathe in and out, in and out. Breathe in, straight the tube, straight the band with breathe out. Breathe in and out, in and out, in and out, and relax. Okay, so now this is very nice exercise. Okay. So you can do this exercise 10 times, but I want to do again with you for 3 times. Okay, breathe in and out. 1, 2, 3, stretch, 3, and relax. Okay, so now next exercise is lie down exercise. So first we have to lie down on the back. So first take left heel and then slowly lie down on your back. Okay, just a minute. Now see what to do. First keep your legs together and then straight and keep the band again near the wrist. Okay, and straight the fingers. Now see, stretch your hands and the bicep touch to the ear again, and then straight the fingers and straight the mini band like this. Okay, like this. You have to stretch like this. So stretch it, breathe in And when you stretch, that time breathe out and toes outwards and toes outwards. Okay, so breathe in and breathe out and stay there. 1, stretch as much as you can. 2, 3, 4, and then relax with breathe in. Okay, so when we have to stretch, that time you have to stretch your abdomen muscles also. Yeah, breathe in and out. 1, toes outwards. 2, 3, 4, and relax. So now we'll do this exercise 3 times without hold. Okay, so breathe in and out, in and out. 2, 3, and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and relax with breathe in. Okay, now see. Now next, there is one variation in this. So stretch your hands again. Okay, breathe in. Now we have to stay over here with breathing, and then slowly slowly head up with breathe out and stretch your hands. Okay, and slowly legs up also, and straight the mini band, and then slowly legs up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and slowly relax with breathe in and relax. So friends, when we do this exercise, that time we have to concentrate on our body, especially our spine. Okay, see, like this. Stretch your hands, breathe in and out. When you come up, that time breathe out. Straight the tube and then keep your legs up and down like this. Okay, and then first relax your leg and relax your hands with breathing. Okay, so we'll do this exercise 10 times. Okay, 10 means 1 round 10 times. So start. Stretch your hands, breathe in and out, legs up. 1, 2, it's 30 degrees. 3, 4, 5, straight the tube. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Relax your legs first and relax your hands and relax and relax. So now next exercise is cycling. So how to do it? So first we have to keep the tube center of our sole. Okay, and hands at and legs at 60 degrees like this. Keep your hands like this, means touching the floor. Okay, now shoulder touching the floor also. Now breathe out. First we'll do with right leg, right knee. Hold your right knee and toes outwards, left toes outwards like this, and then breathing and out. Okay, so when you fold it, that time breathe out, breathe in and out. Okay, so we'll do this exercise 10 times. Okay, so let's start. First we'll start with right leg. 1, 2, stretch as much as you can. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax your legs. You can do this exercise this 2 times. Okay, so now next exercise is twisting exercise. So first we have to start with right leg. Okay, so right leg we have to keep the mini band center of the sole. Okay, and now stretch the mini band, help of the left hand, means opposite hand. Okay, so right leg and left hand. Now see, we keep the right leg hit 60 degree and left toe outwards. Okay, left toe outwards. Now first we have to do breathing over here, and after that twist on left side slowly as much as you can. Okay, like this, and touch the toe to the ground. Okay, and keep your upper body straight like this, and keep your right hand on your shoulder level. Okay, now slowly come in center with breathe in, and then relax with breathe out. Yeah, so this exercise is very good for our core, and it is good exercise for our spine also and knee also. Okay, so we will do this exercise 5 times on left first, and after that 5 times on right. Okay, so let's start. Breathe in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. Breathe in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. Last time, in and out, in and out, and relax. Now same with left leg. Okay, so first you have to switch with left leg, and now we keep the, and now we have to handle the mini band with right hand. Okay, now right leg straight and right toes outwards. Now keep your left hand near the shoulder. Now left leg on right side and touch the toe to the right side. Okay, breathe in and out. Upper body straight. Then breathe in and out. It is very nice exercise. In and out. 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 Last time. In and out. In and out, and relax. You can do this exercise 2 times. Okay, so now next exercise is Setubandhasana, means bridge pose. So how to do it? So first fold your knees and keep the band above the knee. Okay, above the knee. And now knees together first. Now keep your hands near the ankle. Now shoulder touching the floor, and slowly lift the back. When you lift the back, that time straight the mini band. Okay, breathe in and stay 1, 2, 3, 4, and slowly relax with breathe out. One more time. Breathe in straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, and relax with out. Okay, so without hold 2 times. In and out, in and out, in and stay 1, 2, 3, 4, out, and relax and relax. Okay, so now last exercise is breathing. Okay, so now keep the mini band aside. Now keep your legs straight, leg apart. Now left hand on the left side of the chest and right hand on the navel. Close your eyes. Breathe in. Stomach out, breathe out, stomach in. Close your eyes, concentrate on your breathing, and relax with breathe out. Breathe in, think positive, breathe out, feel relaxed. Breathe in, feel relaxed. Breathe out, feel relaxed. Breathe in, think for happiness and peace. Breathe out, take out all the stress and feel relaxed. And now slowly open your eyes, relax your hands and relax. Hello again. Hope you learned something useful from this video. Friends, research has proven that resistance band exercises grow your muscles and tone them at the same time. With these exercises, focus on consuming healthy food also, as that will be a major contributor to your transformation. Proper intake of water can also be really useful for weight loss as well. It is 100% calorie free, helps you burn more calories and may even suppress your appetite if consumed before meals. Also friends, positive thoughts can increase our motivation and energy levels for our weight loss goals. And last but not the least, be positive, spread your positive vibes all around you, always pray to God and always help the needy. Friends, if you are looking to yield such benefit of yoga and practice regularly from the comfort and safety of your home, we also recommend joining our online classes. To know more, you can click on the first link in the description below and leave your details and we will get back to you. Also, if you found this video useful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe and press the bell button to receive notifications of our new video. Namaste.